This is not a robot. It's not a collectible. This is the GravaStar Supernova, a speaker. And honestly, it might be one of the craziest looking speakers I've ever tested. Oh, and by the way, I'm also giving one of these away, so if you're interested, stay tuned until later in the video for more details. Alright, let's unbox it, test the sound, and see if it's just style or if it actually delivers something solid. Right out of the box, this thing is heavy in a good way. Around 1 kg of zinc alloy. Very solid like what you would expect from a good sounding speaker. Not those plastic cheap feel ones lah. You get the speaker, USB charging cable, 3.5mm aux cable, and some manuals. But honestly, who reads that? Maybe I'll regret later lah. Just look at this. If an Evangelion pilot needed a Bluetooth speaker, this would be it. Got foldable tripod legs and a carry handle on top. I've never seen such a unique design for a Bluetooth speaker ever. The Supernova comes in 3 colors. GravaStar calls them matte black, dawn white, and this, the one we have right now, war damaged yellow. But actually I prefer to call it battle scarred yellow lah. The scuff paint doesn't just look cool. The shading and the detail work really adds depth and realism. You know how serious figurine collectors will repaint their models for that worn-in, battle-used feel? That's the kind of effort GravaStar is putting into this. I also love how they etch subtle product names into the design. Even the scuffed legs looks like they have flown through space. It's a style, and it's a damn good looking one. Now let's talk about the lighting. This part is damn cool. You get 3 lighting modes. Static color, there are a few colors to choose from. Red, purple, green, cyan, and even warm white if you want something less flashy. Dynamic pulsing and this warm flicker effect. It's very suitable to be used in a mini campfire or just let it look like a reactor core. Even if you're not playing music, this thing still looks amazing as an ambient light. And another thing I really like is the connectivity. We've got Bluetooth 5.3, we've got 3.5mm headphone jack, and this is USB port. This is not only for charging the speaker. I can actually connect it directly to my PC and use it as a wired speaker. Maybe it's just me, but I find that's very convenient. It looks cool and all, but does it actually sound good? Just to clarify, I'm not an audiophile, but I believe this product isn't really aimed at hardcore audio geeks either. It's running a 3-inch full-range driver firing downwards. It gives a more immersive soundstage with a half-inch tweeter to bring out vocals. 25 watts in total. That's not bad at all for this size. I've tested the typical songs I listen to, like Mandarin Pops, David Tao, like Jackie Cheung, like J-pop, like Utada Hikaru, YOASOBI, EDMs like Above and Beyond. And honestly, I'm quite happy with the sound. Personally, I prefer more vocal-heavy songs on this speaker, but it can handle bassy music too. Definitely loud enough for a bedroom, even a small living room. So just a quick recap, this GravaStar Supernova looks absolutely insane. The attention to detail and the sci-fi look, spaceship look, I really like this style. The sound quality is surprisingly good, clear mids, solid bass. The lighting also is quite unique, although there isn't an option for me to go crazy with customizing the lights. It's just those predetermined few modes that we can use. It has auxiliary input for low latency use and a USB-C PC speaker function too. However, there's this one small thing I find it a bit annoying. Every time when I powered it on or off, it plays this sci-fi whoosh sound effects like this. It feels cool during the first few times lah, but when I can't turn it off, it's a bit annoying.
Bluetooth connected.
Even if I want to turn off the Supernova during midnight, I would risk waking my girlfriend up. So you've been eyeing this GravaStar Supernova and thinking, wow, this thing looks cool. Good news! GravaStar is actually giving this exact model to one lucky viewer. It's super easy to join. Follow these Instagram accounts, GravaStar Malaysia, ZPumpkin, and ByLumos.com. Tag 3 friends in the comments below this Instagram video and share why you'd love to try this speaker. That's it! One lucky winner will receive the GravaStar Supernova. However, giveaway ends August 31st, so make sure to join before that. Alright, let's wrap things up. So is the GravaStar Supernova all looks? Actually, I don't think so. It's way more than that. You're paying for design and functionality. The sound is genuinely nice, and the lighting just brings a whole vibe to your desktop space. If you're super picky about audio, just take note that whoosh sound effect can not be disabled. But if you love tech that stands out, something with personality, whether you're a gamer or sci-fi fan, or just someone who wants their desk to look cool, then this speaker delivers. Let me know what do you think. Cool or too much? Would you spend over 600 ringgit for a speaker that doubles as a decor piece? If you're looking for pricing on Malaysia stock, I'll leave the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.